When a man starts crying, he cries remembering more bad memories so that he can cry more. Most people speak the truth when they talk late at night, because at night the brain is not able to think much due to being tired. According to research, traveling keeps the brain healthy. Therefore, the risk of heart attack decreases in people who travel more. According to a research, spending on others gives more happiness than spending on yourself. The person who knows small things and weeps, he is more humble than other people. The more a person sleeps, the more depressed he is. Thinking excessively is the biggest reason for your going into depression. The effect of your clothes on your mood. If you wear nice clothes, you are in a good mood. According to a research, if you scold your child excessively, then the child starts hating himself. If someone ignores you, then you also start ignoring him. The man will fall in love with you back. According to psychology, if you want someone to do some work, then first let them do big work. That person will refuse immediately, then you give him to do his work, he will do it immediately. According to a research, when you cause someone to laugh, you become very attractive in their eyes. According to psychology, the married life of girls who talk more and boys who talk less is very happy. Psychology says that when two people love each other, they tend to show interest in each other's activities. Showing interest in a girl's likes and dislikes will make her fall deeper in love with you. Girls are more attracted to guys who try to start a conversation with them.